Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2074 indicates an issue with the manifold absolute pressure MAP sensor, specifically that its signal is lower than expected. This diagnostic trouble code is important in understanding the engine's performance and can lead to decreased efficiency or increased emissions if not addressed promptly. The MAP sensor plays a critical role in measuring the intake manifold pressure, which allows the engine control module, ECM, to adjust air-fuel mixtures accordingly. A faulty MAP sensor can disrupt the balance, leading to engine performance issues. This presentation will guide you through the specific components affected, the potential causes of this error, and the step-by-step troubleshooting process. Understanding and resolving this issue will help restore optimal operation to your Honda Civic. The manifold absolute pressure MAP sensor is crucial for the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, as it measures the pressure inside the intake manifold. This measurement is critical for determining the amount of air entering the engine, allowing the ECM to adjust fuel delivery for optimal performance and efficiency. The MAP sensor is typically located on the intake manifold itself, easily accessible for inspection. When the MAP sensor signals lower than expected, it can lead to incorrect air-fuel mixture calculations, affecting engine performance. This error can manifest as poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, or even engine stalling. Also, since the DTC P2074 is set when the signal is lower than anticipated, it can affect the vehicle's emissions, making it essential to address quickly. Several factors can lead to the DTC P2074 being triggered. Firstly, a faulty MAP sensor is often the primary suspect, as its internal components may fail, resulting in inaccurate readings. Poor electrical connections at the MAP sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM, can also contribute to signal issues. Corrosion, dirt, or loose terminals can interrupt the sensor's performance. Additionally, damaged wiring related to the MAP sensor or interruptions caused by environmental factors can lead to erroneous readings. Problems within the PCM may also affect MAP sensor performance, especially if the module is not processing the sensor data correctly. Lastly, vacuum leaks in the intake system can alter the manifold pressure readings, further complicating the situation. Various symptoms can indicate the presence of DTC P2074. Drivers may initially notice poor engine performance, manifested as sluggish acceleration or a general lack of power. Another common symptom is a decrease in fuel efficiency. The vehicle may consume more fuel than usual due to the incorrect air-fuel mixture caused by the faulty MAP sensor. Additionally, engine stalling or rough idling can occur, causing discomfort and uncertainty while driving. Increased emissions may also be observed due to poor engine performance and adjustments made by the ECM. Most importantly, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to seek immediate diagnostics. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2074 involves checking the MAP sensor's performance. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode while ensuring that the engine is not running. This allows you to use Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to view real-time data. Compare the current parameter values of the MAP sensor and TC boost pressure. It's essential to determine if the value differs by more than 26.7 kilopascals, 7.9 inches of mercury, 200 millimeters of mercury. If the reading exceeds this threshold, it's likely that the MAP sensor is malfunctioning, necessitating its replacement. If not, you will proceed to the next step. In this step, you'll conduct a second performance check on the MAP sensor using HDS. First, note the MAP sensor value in the data list while the vehicle is still in the on mode. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle, which stabilizes the vehicle's operating conditions. Again, check the map sensor values against the HDS data list. It's crucial to identify if the map sensor value changes by 0.67 kPa, 0.2 inch mark, 5 millimeters inch mark, or more during this check. If the change is noticeable, it suggests that the sensor is operating correctly, allowing you to move to the next step. Conversely, negligible change indicates that the map sensor likely needs replacement. The final troubleshooting step involves verifying the problem by working with the HDS to clear the DTC P2074. After clearing, start the engine and hold it at 3,000 RPM without load. This means that the continuously variable transmission, CVT, should be in park or neutral, while manual transmission, MT, should also be in neutral. Keep the engine running until the radiator fan activates, then allow it to idle. Following this, test drive the vehicle under specific conditions. The engine speed should be at 1,700 RPM or more, and the transmission in drive for CVT, or 4th or 5th gear for MT, while ensuring the relative throttle position TP sensor reads above 42.2 degrees. Finally, monitor the OBD status for DTC P2074 in the HDS menu to determine if it indicates a failure. Once repairs have been made, verify that the DTC has been successfully cleared from the system. This can be done using the HDS, ensuring that it no longer lists P2074. Additionally, monitor the operation of the map sensor closely to confirm it is functioning within normal parameters. Conduct a test drive under varied conditions to assess the engine's performance. Emphasis should be placed on ensuring steady acceleration and consistent power delivery. If the DTC does not reappear and symptoms of the issue have been resolved, then the repair can be considered successful. It is also recommended to keep track of sensor data to ensure long-term reliability. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P2074, routine maintenance is essential. Regular inspections of the map sensor and its components can help catch issues before they escalate. It's crucial to ensure that electrical connections remain secure and free from corrosion to maintain signal integrity. Additionally, check for signs of wear and tear on wiring associated with the map sensor, replacing any damaged components as necessary. Regularly reviewing the HDS parameters can also provide an early warning of any underlying issues. Preventive steps like these can enhance your vehicle's lifespan and performance with respect to engine management. In conclusion, the DTC P2074 pertains to the map sensor signal being lower than what is expected, highlighting an important aspect of vehicle diagnostics. Understanding the role of the map sensor is key to addressing related symptoms effectively, which may include poor performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. By accurately identifying these symptoms and following the structured troubleshooting steps, evaluating performance checks, clearing the DTC, and validating the results, you can efficiently tackle the issue. Ensuring proper preventive maintenance can help prevent recurrence of this fault. Being proactive not only aids in maintaining engine performance, but also enhances the vehicle's overall reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.